Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, and today we will discuss about the energy for the muscle contraction. The muscle contraction involve use of energy. The main source of energy is the ATP, which is produced by the oxidative phosphorylation of glucose in the mitochondria, abundantly present in the sarcoplasm of the skeleton muscle fibers. कि जो मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन के लिए जो एनर्जी आती है दैट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द एटीपी, और एटीपी कहाँ से आती है? ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोरिलेशन होता है ग्लूकोज का माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर, और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया सार्कोप्लाज्म के अंदर अबंडेंट बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा के अंदर मिलता है, अमाउंट के अंदर होता है. इफ़ द मसल इज़ टू बी री एनर्जाइज्ड, न्यू ectomyosin ATP complex must be formed. Muscle fiber of vertebrates have two types of energy-rich organic phosphate molecules called adenosine triphosphate and phosphocreatine. In the first step, during muscle contraction, you can see here the ATP with the help of the myosin and the ATPase, calcium and the magnesium ions converted into the ADP plus phosphate plus energy. Okay. In the second step, ATP is regenerated by phosphorylation of ADP in the presence of high energy phosphate donor phosphocreatinine in the presence of enzyme creatine kinase, which favor transphosphorylation. So creatine phosphate plus ADP in the presence of the enzyme creatine kinase form the creatine plus ATP. Okay. The high energy phosphate bond of creatine phosphate has a slightly more energy than that of ATP bond, so can give its high energy phosphate molecule to ADP. So is called phosphogene, another method of ATP generation. अच्छा, एक तो ये हो गया एटीपी जनरेशन का मेथड. दूसरा मेथड क्या है एटीपी जनरेशन का? कि क्रिएटिन इज फॉस्फोरिलेटेड in the presence of energy provided by anaerobic breakdown of muscle glycogen into lactic acid. यानी कि 2 ADP with the help of the enzyme myokinase converted into the ATP plus AMP. Glycogen by the process of glycolysis converted into the breakdown into the lactic acid plus energy, and creatine plus ATP in a relaxing muscle convert into the creatine phosphate plus ADP. About 4/5 of lactic acid is rechanged into muscle glycogen via Cori's cycle, while rest 1/5 of lactic acid is oxidized and aerobically to carbon dioxide and water during refractory period, and energy is released, which changes remaining lactic acid into the glycogen. It shows the role of liver in the metabolism of muscle contracts. 1/5 lactic acid plus oxygen converted into the CO2 plus water plus energy. 4/5 lactic acid in the liver cell converted into the glycogen. These changes show that muscle contraction involve consuming of oxygen and glycogen. Second, production of CO2 and heat. It is so as the muscle can use 50 to 70% of chemical energy of glucose in mechanical work of contraction, while rest of the energy change into the heat. कि जो मसल है वो 50 से 70% जो केमिकल एनर्जी है ग्लूकोज की उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्शन के अंदर यूज करती है, और रिमेनिंग इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द हीट. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एनर्जी फॉर द मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. कि ड्यूरिंग मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन फ्रॉम वेयर द मसल गेट्स द एनर्जी. दिस सेशन इज पावर्ड बाय डिजिटल वर्जन 2.0 ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.